Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you update the placeholders that are in the search boxes? You'll see that there's placeholders, city and postcode, name or keyword. So there's a couple of ways that you can do this. I prefer to go into the widget itself and adjust placeholder. And that's partially because some of these placeholders are universal or global across the whole website. So they're being used in multiple places. So I'm going to show you both ways. So the first thing that we could do is we could open the navigation bar on the left hand side and we could put show text labels. By doing that, it might show us the text labels. Now what you tend to find is for the placeholders, it starts to show you, or you don't see the full placeholder text within the box. And this is why I tend to edit these in the widget. You could take the text labels off by pressing the icon on the left hand side again, and you could just search for the words that are being used. So for example, city or postcode. If we go to the back end, we go to settings, text labels. We could use a search on the top there, and we could just put city or postcode. And what you'll find generally is a few results will come up. You just need to obviously make sure you edit the right one. So if you have got two and you're not too sure which one it is that you're editing, what I do is I just put a number 1 after one of them. And then we save it. And then by doing that, we can refresh the page and we can find out which one is which. So they're both using that top one. You can see the number 1 has been added. So we now know that we can change the text in this text label to what we want, and that will replace text that's being displayed in these search boxes. The second way to do it is to show the widgets and go into the widget. So again, if we open the admin bar on the left hand side, we're going to show the widgets. So we're going to get the widgets to display, and you can see the page is made up of multiple widgets. And the search section that's being used in here is named here as a global website search and location. So we can click on that widget and it will take us to the widget. And then what we can do is we can just go on actions and customize. And you'll get bogged down with a lot of code, but you just need to look for certain areas within the placeholder. So you've got this section up here, which relates to the keyword part of the search, which is this section here. And then you've got this section down here, which relates to the location part of the search. So I can see that the placeholder's in here, and it's pulling up this location search default. So I'm just going to take that out. So I'm taking everything out from the percentage signs and everything in between. So I'm going to delete that. And then what I'm going to do, just for the purpose of this demo, is just type the word demo, just so that you can see that the placeholder's changed. I'm going to press save. I'm going to go back to the main website. I'm going to open admin bar up on the left-hand side, and I'm going to hide the widgets. And then what you'll see appear in the search location is the word demo. So that's where you could type in a keyword that wouldn't affect this placeholder up here, because what we've done is we've edited within the individual widget as opposed to editing a global text label. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.